So, pagdating mo dito, did you have challenges in looking for a job?
I had interviews sa tatlong companies. I forgot the companies, pero hindi po ako natanggap kasi they said I need more experience sa programming sa industry, and then baka factor din yung Canadian experience na sinasabi nila.
Yeah. Pero did you have like entry-level jobs muna? Any job for that matter?
Sabay-sabay na po nangyari na nag-EMOP ako yung sa TechVoc dito sa Winnipeg, yung TechVoc. They are teaching yung AMOP, yung airspace program. So, para makapasok siya sa manufacturing ng airspace. And then, that's going for 9 months. And then, during those 9 months, nag-work lang ako sa car wash. So, para flexible yung time. And then, after mag-graduate pa, nag-work din ako sa grocery